You are watching to your favorite channel Ask Me Anything. This is continuation to previous exercise 1.1 of class 10 NCERT. If you want to know question number 1, then click the I button or go to the link given in description below. Okay children, coming straight to the question. So that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5, where q is some integer. Before solving question number 2, let us try to understand some requirement of this question number 2. So let us write the requirement. Let us see how integers are formed using Euclid's division lemma or Euclid division algorithm. Okay, we have already learned the Euclid division lemma relation. So let us write A is equal to BQ plus R, such that 0 is less than equal to R and less than B. These relations are very important in forming the integers. So let us try to take examples. Say let us take B is equal to 3. When B is equal to 3, all this B in that relation will be converted into 3. So A is equal to thrice Q plus R as B is equal to 3. Such that 0 is less than R and less than, as B is equal to 3, we will write 3. So what it means, R is equal to 0 and R is between 0 to 3. And as well as R is equal to 0 and 0 is less than R. There is two conditions, but R is always less than 3. So let us try to understand that R is equal to 0 because R is equal to 0 in that relation. R is equal to 1 because 1 is greater than 0. But R is equal to 2. And here we cannot write R is equal to 3 because R is less than 3. As R is less than 3, we'll be getting R will be equal to 0, 1, 2. So let us write R is equal to 0, 1, 2. This is the possible relation when B is equal to 3. But let us take B is equal to 4. Then R will be automatically 0, 1, 2 and 3. And let us take one more here, comparing that. Let us say B is equal to 66. Then what is the possible? R is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and up to 65. It should be always 1 less as the condition R is less than 3. So we have understood that. Thus, looking to the condition there, every integer can be in the form say 1 twice q plus 1 and not twice q plus 2. It's not possible. But twice q plus 1 can be written in another format like twice q minus 1. In second case, let us take thrice q plus 1, thrice q plus 2, or we can write thrice q minus 1. Now let us come to the third type. If we take 4q plus 1, 4q plus 2, 4q plus 3 and not 4q plus 4. It is not possible, but 4q plus 3 can be written in the form 4q minus 1. Okay, now let us come to 5q plus 1, 5q plus 2, 5q plus 3 and 5q plus 4. However, 5q plus 5 is not possible as like before 4q plus 4. So finally let us see another format. We can even write in number 5, we can write even 66q plus 1, 66q plus 2, 66q plus 3 and so on. 66q plus 65. Here what we understand is that if we take 66, it should be till the number of 65. So 66q plus 65 can be written in another type like 66q plus 65 means 66q minus 1. As before we have written like twice q plus 1, twice q minus 1, 4q plus 3, 4q minus 1. So here 5q plus 4 means 5q minus 1. This one I will take up in a next session. But for a time being, you remember all this format of integers. Okay, now with the help of that format, let us try to solve this question number 2. So let us write here, let A is any positive integer. So I'll give the format of the numbers at the right side so you can have a look that which I have given in the right side. Then A is equal to 6q, 6q plus 1, 6q plus 2, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 4, or 6q plus 5. Now see here where q is some integer given in the question. Q is some integer. Now look here, A is equal to 6q, 6q plus 1, 6q plus 2, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 4, or 6q plus 5. So when A is equal to 6q, it can be written as 2 into thrice q. That means 2 into thrice q can be divided by 2. So it is even number. Now when A is equal to 6q plus 1, this 6q plus 1 is not possible to divide by 2. So this is odd integer. Now let us take 6q plus 2. 6q plus 2 we can take command here. 2 thrice q plus 1. And let us check this one. Twice thrice q plus 1 divided by 2. We can cut 2, 2. That means it is divisible, so it is even. Now let's come to 6q plus 3. So 3, 2, that means we take command and 1 here. Now let us say 3, 2q plus 1 divided by 2. It's not possible. It's not possible, so it is odd number. Odd integer I mean. A is equal to 6q plus 4. Let us take a command and let us check. So we can say 2, 3q, thrice q plus 2, 2 are 4. So let us check again this one. Thrice q plus 2 divided by 2. What do you get? It is even. And finally we have A is equal to 6q plus 5. This 6q plus 5 is not divisible by 2. Therefore this is odd. Thus any odd integer is of the form, see, let me do that, the form, this is odd, odd, odd and odd. So the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, or 6q plus 5. Hence proved. So now we get the answer according to the question. 6q plus 1 here, 6q plus 3 here, 6q plus 5. So we have got the answer. Thank you for watching Ask Me Anything. Please do like, share and subscribe to support my channel Ask Me Anything. Your one subscribe will give me a new platform of teaching. If already subscribed, then thanks for your subscription. And press the bell icon to get interesting questions and latest updates.